Hi everyone, welcome to this week. We're looking at the role of elasticity. Elasticity is focused on how consumers respond to price changes. You notice there's a lot of challenging things that we focus on with this, but we have to look at decisions that people make. The role of this will be important because what we're looking at is how consumers will make decisions in markets and their adjustment process. There's a lot of different challenges that we're facing with. You'll notice the price elasticity of demand is going to be focusing on buyers and buyers' selective behavior and the decisions that they have to make. You'll notice that they'll be facing decisions on what they think is best based off of price changes. Price changes can be substantial because price changes can tell us a lot about our overall economy. Firms will make adjustments, and when they make adjustments, they can make better decisions in markets. Making better decisions can really help us to better off in terms of how stores will price products. Let's look at a scenario to begin with. You design a website. From that website, we have many different challenges. You notice that we look at this, you notice that we're going to try to figure out how consumers will do what they have to do. How consumers look at that and the cost and the price change will be very important. Those decisions in markets will be critical for us because we want to be able to make adjustments based on how we think consumers will feel in terms of our ability to make decisions. These are some of the topics that we're going to focus on this week. If you need additional resources, please let me know.